For our own production of KEB hardware, we are betting on NOA. We use NOA to monitor conditions of automated guided vehicles, short AGV, in our production halls. These vehicles are used to autonomously transport products from one place to another. One problem that occurs is that sometimes AGV can get into an error state. For example, they lose connection and they stand still. In large halls, it is not immediately apparent when the vehicles are stationary. Here's where NOA comes into play. We have built this condition monitoring dashboard using the NOA app builder. You can see the state of the AGV in the cloud, and you can tell whether they are stationary by looking at the green tiles on the left. NOA will send alarms to different channels, e.g. email or tools like Microsoft Teams, to notify you of errors, and you can immediately react and increase the productivity of the AGV. This was just a small glimpse of the huge possibilities that NOA offers as an automation platform. We were able to implement this use case in our production within a very short time frame and with little effort, thus achieving high added value. Please contact me if you're interested in NOA and the implementation of your automation use case. I look forward to hearing from you.